Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore Odoo 19's restaurant payment types, demonstrate how to split an order into multiple suborders, and walk through configuring restaurant tips.
Let's configure all necessary configuration first. To allow system to split billing, we need to go to Point of Sale, Configuration, Settings. Under the Point of Sale, enable Allow Bill Splitting. Also, to enable tips payment, let's scroll to Payment section and enable tips. Let's save the changes. In Odoo 19, bill splitting function can simply split the bill, or it can create a suborder from the whole order. Let's see how to split the bill and make payments separately. Click three dots and click Split button. To split food and drink items into three separate payments, select the first food and drink item that you want to split and click Payment. Select Payment type and click Continue. Let's repeat the process for two more payments.
Alex, is it possible to create a suborder in Odoo 19?
Yes, to create a suborder, you need to select Items, click Split Order button, and now you can see under Order tabs, Suborder with the letter B and number 2. In Odoo 19, the payment process is straightforward. Click Pay button, select the payment method, cash or card, and click Validate. To leave a tip amount, simply click Tip button, enter amount, and make a payment.
Alex, is it possible to pay my order and tip separately with two different payment methods in Odoo 19?
Yes, first select the payment method you would like to pay your order. Then select second method to pay tips. Click Tips button to enter the amount, and you are ready to pay the order bill by card and tip amount by cash.
Alex, can I email an invoice to the customer? Could you please provide a short overview of how this process works?
Absolutely. To send an invoice to the guest by email, make sure the guest is selected from contact information before the payment. When the payment is completed, on confirmation page beside email field, click Send button to send invoice to the guest.
With Odoo's restaurant POS, handling bills becomes easy thanks to built-in tools for printing, splitting, and managing payments smoothly. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and explore our Odoo guides.